Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Trisha. For those that are new, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. Today I wanted to share 5 easy ways you can personalize your own ornaments. And these are the ornaments that you see at the store that are white or they are clear and you're like, I wish they were a little bit more, had some more pizzazz on there. I don't know what to do with them. So let me give you these ideas. So the first one you can do by hand, and I'm gonna show you exactly how. All you will need is a white ornament, and I usually purchase mine from the Dollar Tree, but if you do not have one, they are on sale at numerous stores right now. What you will need is a permanent black marker, and I want you to make swirls just like I'm doing. It does not have to be perfect. Believe me, my swirls were not perfect at all. This is an opportunity for you to be creative, and I'm just showing you how you can make swirls on here. You could do any shape that you want, just whatever you think, that's what you should do. And also I decided to add like little marks where there was space, and it came out like this. If you want to add a little bit more pizzazz and a little bit more color, try adding a gold metallic pen and just tracing inside of that swirl. You do not have to cover the entire area that is white. Just do a little bit, dab here, dab there. Once I finished, I used my Cricut machine and created a label for the front, and this is how it turned out. If you liked how easy that one was, try this one. It's even easier. For this project, you will need a clear ornament and tube confetti. Simply mix up the color combination that you would like and pour it into the clear ornament. Afterwards, I decided to add a snowflake to the front of the ornament. When I finished, it looked just like this. If you are someone who enjoys flowers, try making this ornament. For this project, I used Pinata alcohol ink in gold and purple. For this project, you will need a clear ornament, and what I'm going to do is just dab a little bit of the purple alcohol ink on the inside. And then I'm going to add in the gold. After you have put a sufficient amount of alcohol ink in there, just swirl it around until it completely covers the inside of the ornament. Next, you will need some artificial flowers, and this is the one that I'm going to use. What you want to do is remove the back of the flower. And then take 2 layers and fold it in half. Next, cut a half circle. Afterwards, add hot glue around the circle. And then flip it over and place it on top of the ornament. I added 2 layers on top. Once I finished, it looked like this. Here's the 4th idea. For this project, I am going to use a white plastic ornament, and I'm just going to put it inside of a cup face down. Next, I'm going to dab a little bit of leaf adhesive onto the bottom side of the ornament. After I finished placing it on there, I waited until it was tacky and clear. And then I placed the gold leaf on top, and it usually comes on a sheet like this. And then you brush away the excess. Once I was done, it turned out like this. And here's the last project, and yes, it's a little bit different. For this project, you will need more flowers, and I used the flowers from the previous project. So what you want to do is cut up the flower so that you have petals. If you already have petals, you do not have to do this step. Afterwards, I added a little bit of hot glue on the bottom of the ornament, and then I placed the middle part of the flower. And then I glued the petals around it. I added 3 layers of petals. Since the petals were flaring a little bit too wide for me, I decided to use hot glue to close the petals together. Then I glued 3 layers of flour together. Using a dowel, I pushed the flower on the inside. I did this because I thought it would be great to see the flower blooming on the inside, as well as it covers the glue that you use to adhere the petals. And this is how it turned out. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed these 5 project ideas, and let me know in the comment section below which one did you find to be the easiest and which one will you try. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.